November 14th and 15th, manipulating the whole equation. So we're given 1/6 x minus 6 is equal to 12. A couple different ways we could approach this, but the first step we've been covering in class is to get rid of that fraction. So since 6 is on the bottom of the fraction, we would first multiply by 6, and then it becomes x minus 36 is equal to 72. Then we would add 36 to both sides, and we would get x is equal to 108. As we go through each of these, we're going to choose our first step and then finish the problem. So for 2x plus 4 equals 6, the first thing we do is subtract 4. When we subtract 4 from both sides, we have 2x is equal to 2, and then we divide by 2. So x is equal to 1. And the next one, the first step is to subtract. Minus 3 minus 3, 12 is equal to negative 5x, and then we divide by negative 5. Again, subtracting 14 is the first step. If you're not getting it, you subtract or add before you divide. So we have 7x is equal to 28, and then we divide by 7 to get x equals 4. On to the back. With 4x minus 5, the first thing we do is add 5. For the next problem, the first thing we do is divide by 2. For example, then we have 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. And we would solve from there, subtract 4, divide by 3. To cancel out the fractions, the first thing we'll do is multiply by 2, and then we end up with 1x plus 3 is equal to 8. From there, minus 3 to both sides, x equals 5. Next up, to get rid of the fractions, we can multiply by 6. Then we add 35. Here, should we move the x's to the left or the right? Moving them to the left avoids the negative, because when we do plus 4x on both sides, we get 9x plus 11 is equal to negative 24.